What if I told you there is a substance so powerful that a single tiny piece could destroy our entire planet? It's not a virus, and it's not a bomb. It is something called strange matter.
To find this, we have to look deep into space. When giant stars die and collapse, they create a neutron star. Inside, the pressure changes everything into strange matter.
Normal matter, like everything we see around us, is stable. But scientists believe strange matter is extremely stable, maybe even more than normal atoms. This is where the danger begins.
Think of it like a molecular infection. If a tiny piece of strange matter ever touched Earth, it wouldn't just sit there. It would start a chain reaction. Every atom it touches would immediately be rewritten. Your house, the trees, the ocean, and even you. Everything would be turned into strange matter.
In a very short time, the entire Earth would be transformed. Our massive planet would collapse and shrink. It would become a tiny, incredibly heavy sphere, no larger than a small asteroid. Our world as we know it would simply vanish.
It sounds like science fiction, but it's a real cosmic phenomenon. While it is very unlikely to happen to us, strange matter remains one of the most terrifying mysteries of our universe. What do you think? Is space scarier than we imagine? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more space mysteries.